Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create or share calendar. So for you to share or create calendar, as you can do, just click on this plus button, then you create an event. Or if you have an existing one, you can decide to share it with your friends. So just gonna click on this. I'm not too sure we have an existing calendar. And just check. Okay, since I now have one, you just create a new calendar. So here it is, just create a new calendar, and I'll try to name my calendar. Let's say I want to make it work night. After that, I'll add the description, then I'll have the time zone, say on the African time, African time. This West Africa. Okay, so much time. West African time should be around here. Next one, I'll click one. When I get the West African time, I'll just pick the random one. So if it is this, then click create the calendar. Once you create a calendar, then you can configure a calendar. You want to configure it, you can see this is it right here. Then you can hide it from the list or value, and also check the calendar settings. Now, once you click on it, right here you can share with specific people or group. Just click on it. Then right here you have an option to add more people to your group, or add some group to your calendar. So I will do that by just clicking on the plus button. You can add more mails of your workmate, then after that I can decide to set the community notification, then that's it. I'm highly helpful. I can follow for more. Thank you.